This video will cover troubleshooting the most common issues with the pump and motor on an SG2 or NXT5 WaterFed system. Start by removing the pump with a screwdriver. Turn the vane adapter by hand. If it turns easily, the pump is okay. If your pump is overheating or your GFCI is tripping, it may not be getting adequate power from the extension cord. Connect the system directly to an outlet without an extension cord to test this. If this solves the problem, use a shorter or thicker gauge extension cord. If you are still having an issue, check your GFCI. Unplug the motor from your switch plate and plug it directly into an outlet for a few seconds. If the motor is functioning properly, a new GFCI will likely solve the problem. If you've already replaced your GFCI and your motor only operates when bypassing the switch, your next step is to replace the switch. If the motor is not functioning while bypassing the switch, check for a bad connection inside the male plus and behind the motor plate. If the connections are good, purchase a new motor.